18 cruise hacks the cruise lines wish you didn't know.
Cruise vacations promise relaxation, fun, and adventure. The ads make it look like you just step on board, let the ocean breeze hit your face, and forget about real life. But here's the truth. Cruise lines are absolute masters at separating you from your money. Everything is designed to encourage you to spend, from overpriced drinks to carefully placed shops, to special deals that aren't really deals at all. But that doesn't mean you have to play by their rules. If you know the tricks, you can outsmart the system. That's what this video is about. Today, I'll walk you through 18 cruise hacks that the cruise lines would rather keep secret. These hacks will save you money, get you better service, and make your vacation smoother than almost everyone else on board. Let's dive in. Number 1. Don't prepay gratuities. Unless you want to lose control. Most cruise lines encourage you to prepay gratuities before the trip. It sounds convenient. One less thing to think about. But here's the catch. Once you've prepaid, your leverage is gone. Think of it like paying at a restaurant before you've even seen the menu. If service isn't great, you don't have much say. A smarter approach is to settle gratuities at the end of your cruise. This way, you can adjust based on the service you actually received. And if you really want to stand out as a passenger, give your cabin steward $10 or $20 in cash on day 1. That little gesture makes a huge difference. Most stewards will go the extra mile for you, whether it's keeping your ice bucket full, making towel animals that wow your kids, or helping with little requests you didn't even think of. Some travelers choose a hybrid method. Keep the automatic tips, so the behind-the-scenes crew like dishwashers and laundry staff still benefit, and bring extra cash for those crew members who make the trip memorable. Either way, you stay in control. Number 2. The power strip trap. Here's something almost every first-time cruiser complains about: lack of outlets. Cabins often come with only 2, maybe 3 outlets total. With phones, tablets, cameras, smartwatches, and maybe even a laptop, that's just not enough. Your first instinct might be to bring a power strip, but that's a big mistake. Surge protectors and extension cords are banned because they're fire hazards on ships. If security sees one in your bag, they'll confiscate it. The safe and smart solution? Bring a USB charging hub. These are allowed, and you can charge multiple devices at once without taking up much space. Pair it with a portable power bank under 100 watt-hours, and you'll never run out of juice for your devices. This is especially useful on excursion days when you're off the ship for hours and can't plug in. Number 3. Drink package math doesn't add up. The all-you-can-drink package sounds like a dream. For $60 to $100 a day, you can drink as much as you want. But here's the reality. You'd need to drink 6 to 8 cocktails every single day just to break even. That means starting early, pacing yourself, and drinking steadily until bedtime. Most passengers don't actually drink that much, and if you skip even one day, the math completely falls apart. On top of that, these packages often don't cover specialty coffees, bottled water, or fresh juice, which means you'll still spend extra. A better approach is to pay per drink or buy smaller packages like soda or coffee deals. Another trick is to bring your own wine or champagne on board if your cruise line allows it. Most lines let you bring 1 or 2 bottles per cabin, and that alone can save you a small fortune. Unless you're a heavy drinker, the a la carte option almost always wins. Number 4. The interior cabin gamble. Interior cabins are the cheapest way to cruise, but they're also the riskiest. Why? Because location matters. Many inside cabins are right next to noisy areas like gyms, crew doors, or nightclubs. If you're not careful, you'll spend your nights listening to thumping bass or early morning announcements instead of sleeping. The trick is to study the deck plans before you book. Look for interior cabins in quiet zones, especially those surrounded by other passenger cabins. Even better, hunt for odd-shaped rooms in the corners. Sometimes, because of the way the ship is designed, these rooms are slightly bigger, yet priced the same as a standard inside cabin. That's like getting an upgrade for free. Number 5. The interior cabin light hack. One of the hardest parts about staying in an interior cabin is the total lack of natural light. You wake up and have no idea what time it is. Is it 6 a.m., noon, midnight? That can really mess with your body clock. Here's the fix. Leave your TV on the ship's outside view channel overnight. Many ships broadcast a live camera feed from the deck. When you wake up in the middle of the night, just glance at the screen. If it's still dark outside, go back to sleep. If the sun is rising, you know it's morning. Some people even catch sunsets right from bed this way. It's a simple trick that makes a windowless cabin feel a little less claustrophobic. Number 6. Embarkation Day Buffet is a rookie mistake. The first thing most passengers do when they board is head straight for the buffet. Bad idea. On day 1, the buffet is pure chaos. It's overcrowded, the food sits out too long, and finding a seat is almost impossible. Instead, skip the buffet and head to the main dining room. On Embarkation Day, many lines quietly open it for lunch, but most passengers don't know this. You'll enjoy fresh food, table service, and a calm atmosphere while everyone else fights over bread rolls. Starting your cruise this way feels like stepping into first class, even if you booked an inside cabin. Number 7. Timing is everything at Mealtimes. Eating at the wrong time can ruin your experience. Show up at peak hours and you'll face long lines, crowded tables, and food that's been sitting out too long. Here's how to outsmart the crowds. For breakfast, the sweet spot is between 7 and 8 a.m. You'll get hot food and plenty of seating. For dinner, arrive either right when doors open around 5:30 or wait until after 8 p.m. That way, you avoid the busiest hours. For buffets, go about 30 minutes after opening. That's when the freshest food comes out, but the initial rush has already cleared. Want to know the real secret? Watch the crew. They know exactly when and where the best food appears, and they always eat during the quiet times.
Number 8.
Free hidden food spots. Don't assume the buffet and dining room are your only options. Most cruise ships are filled with hidden free food spots. You just need to know where to look. Think pizza counters that stay open until 2 a.m., hot dog stands by the pool, pasta bars tucked into the back of a deck. Some ships even offer free room service for basic items like coffee, pastries, or fruit. One of the best hacks? Ask the crew where they grab a quick bite. They'll point you to the secret gems most passengers never discover.
Number 9.
Cover your peephole. This one surprises people, but it's important. Some cabin peepholes can be reversed, meaning someone could technically peek inside your room. It's rare, but why risk it? The solution is simple. Cover the peephole with a piece of tape, a sticky note, or buy an inexpensive sliding cover. For extra peace of mind, bring a small portable door lock. It won't stop crew from entering if there's an emergency, but it gives you an extra layer of security while you sleep. Number 10. The quiet cabin formula. Noise travels like crazy on ships. If you want peace, avoid cabins under the gym, above nightclubs, or near elevators and service doors. These areas are noisy late at night and early in the morning. The best spots are midship cabins located between 2 passenger decks. That way, you have passengers above and below you instead of noisy venues. It's the closest thing to guaranteed silence you'll find on a cruise ship. Number 11. Skip the photo trap. Ship photographers are everywhere. They'll catch you when you board, during dinner, at shows, even when you're walking the deck. Sure, the pictures can be nice, but they usually cost $20 to $30 each. That adds up fast. Instead, snap your own photos at the same backdrops. Cruise ships are filled with beautiful spots for pictures, from grand staircases to ocean views. Ask another passenger to take your formal night shot. It'll look just as good, and it's free. Number 12. Drink of the day is a ripoff. That colorful drink of the day might look tempting, but it's usually made with the cheapest alcohol and lots of sugar. It costs the cruise line maybe $1 or $2 to make, yet they'll charge you $9 or $10. A better choice is to order classic cocktails or chat with the bartender. Ask what's fresh or what they recommend. You'll often get a better drink for the same price. Number 13. Protect your luggage tags. Cruise lines give you paper luggage tags to attach before boarding. The problem is, those flimsy tags often rip off during baggage handling. If your tag goes missing, your bag could be delayed or even lost. The fix is simple. Buy reusable clear plastic sleeves for luggage tags. They cost just a few dollars online and will last for multiple cruises. At the very least, tape the paper tags securely and put a card with your name and cabin number inside your suitcase as backup. Number 14. The luggage tag phone hack. Here's a clever tip. Take a photo of your luggage tag and set it as your phone's lock screen. That way, if you misplace your phone on board, whoever finds it can easily see your name and cabin number. Once your cruise is over, just change your lock screen back. It's simple, smart, and could save you a lot of stress. Number 15, be the last off the ship. When the cruise ends, everyone seems desperate to get off first. The result? Crowds, long lines, and frustration. But unless you have an early flight, why rush? If you wait until the last call to disembark, you'll stroll off calmly. Your luggage will be waiting neatly, and the crew will be less stressed. It's a far more relaxed way to end your trip. Number 16, your cabin isn't as private as you think. That Do Not Disturb sign doesn't guarantee privacy. Crew members can still enter your room for safety checks or maintenance issues. Also, here's an important safety note. Never leave both your balcony door and cabin door open at the same time. It creates a wind tunnel effect strong enough to slam doors shut with dangerous force. There are stories of doors breaking or even injuries happening this way. Always keep one door closed. Number 17, stick with one cruise line for rewards. It's tempting to bounce around and try different cruise lines, but if you want perks, consistency is key. The more you sail with the same line, the faster you climb their loyalty ladder. Higher tiers bring rewards like discounts, free internet, cabin upgrades, and members-only perks. It doesn't matter if you choose Carnival, Royal Caribbean, or another line. What matters is sticking with it long enough to reap the benefits. Number 18, yes, they're tracking you, but you can use it. Your cruise card or wristband isn't just for opening doors and buying drinks. It has RFID technology that logs your movements, from the bars you visit to the shops you browse. Cruise lines use this data for safety, but also for marketing. Here's the twist. You can use it too. If you lose track of family members, check the ship's app. Many now let you see where they've been. If you see a charge you don't recognize, your activity log proves where you actually were. Big Brother is watching, but sometimes it works in your favor. And there you have it, 18 cruise hacks the cruise lines would rather you never knew. Use them, and you'll save money, sleep better, and enjoy your trip far more than the average passenger. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Cruise Aura for more cruise secrets and travel tips, and tell me in the comments, which of these hacks are you most excited to try on your next cruise?